Hi, my name is Camille Lim. I'm a graduate of 2020. I'm doing my physics project on something I'm very interested in, and it's actually the reason why I took physics. I will be talking about pole vault and how it has to relate to energy. This is Sandy Morris. She is a U.S. Silver Olympic medalist, and her highest jump is 16 feet 3 inches. And now we'll start with showing you a pole vault. Alright, pause. This is my favorite pole vaulter of all time. His name is Mondo Duplantis, and he serves as two things for me. One, my celebrity crush, and two, someone who positively influences me. And he's only 2 years older than me, so. Anyways, we're rewatching his vault because this is a video back when Mondo was a senior in high school jumping approximately 19 feet, and he now holds the pole vault world record with a jump of 6.17 meters, which is approximately 20 feet. When we're talking about energy, there are two types. There's kinetic energy, which is energy an object has due to its motion, and potential energy, which is energy held by an object waiting to be used for later. Within the potential energy, there is elastic potential energy, which is potential energy due to compression or expansion of an elastic object, waiting to be used for later. So kinetic energy and potential energy have two different equations. Back when we were doing practice problems and combining the two equations, I realized I could find my potential height in the pole vault. We can combine these two equations because of the law of conservation of energy, which states that energy cannot be created nor destroyed. When the equations are set equal to each other, we can cancel out the m, which stands for mass in this situation. As we continue to simplify our equation, it results in this, where we can just plug in our values and solve for h, which is height in this case. My best time in the 100-meter dash is 14.2 seconds, and with that, we've learned that we can find our velocity. Gravity will always be 9.8 meters per second squared on Earth. I found that I should be jumping 2.53 meters, or approximately 8.3 feet, but that's a lot different from what I'm pole vaulting right now. The closest video I could find of me pole vaulting 8.3 feet was during my freshman year.
You were there? Yeah. I almost puked after that.
Oh, you got it.
So how am I jumping over 8 feet now? What are the factors that have changed since my freshman year that have enabled me to jump higher than 8 feet? We're going to watch the vault from my sophomore year and my junior year, and I will point out the slight difference.
No, you do it just like him. There is no...
I'm slightly faster, and if you can look closely, I'm bending the pole. That's where the higher heights come from. Energy is put into the pole and is stored as an elastic energy, and when it's ready to release, it springs me over the bar. I was only able to do that after my coach told me to hit the weights. The material that has been used to make poles has evolved quite a bit since the beginning of pole vault. They first started with hardwood poles, which were very difficult to bend. Then they changed it to bamboo and steel and found that more successful because they were able to bend it more. And then they went to what we have now, which is fiberglass and carbon fiber. Why can't I just get on a tall pole like Renault here? I need enough velocity and strength to keep me on my upward path. If not, the pole will unbend and send me back to where I came from. That's my friend Clark. He's okay now. He's back to vaulting about 15 feet. He just disobeyed the number one rule of pole vault, which is do not let go of the pole. I was able to add one more thing to my jump before my season was cut short, and that's called the leg swing. The leg swing helps keep your motion moving forward and converts your horizontal motion to vertical motion. Here, my leg was just kind of curled up and along for the ride, but once I straightened out my leg and allowed it to help me swing up, it made my vault so much more efficient. I was able to jump 10 feet 6 inches this year. I hope you were able to learn some interesting stuff about pole vault. Thanks for listening.